Hello viewers, this is attorney Naresh Gehi and welcome to Green Card with Gehi. Yes, it's a wonderful Wednesday morning. I know that you all are very much excited about today's show. And as you all rightly know, that we take up topics which you want to hear from us. So I pick up on a topic that my viewer wants to hear about immigration. And today's topic is very interesting. How to fight your deportation. I know that's a hot button, especially in today's difficult times. Everyone is concerned that exactly if I'm out of status or if I'm illegal, can I get into deportation? And if I am in deportation, how can I fight my deportation? And if I have been ordered deported from the United States, or if I've been ordered deported from the United States, what are my options to become legal in America? So friends, let's break up this topic into different segments. Topic number one will be, you are in the middle of your deportation. How to fight your deportation? Number one, what happens is that you're sitting at home one fine day and you get this notice in the mail that you have been asked to see an immigration judge. In legal language, we call it as a notice to appear before an immigration judge. NDA'd before an immigration judge. You're worried, you're scared, and you have this feeling that, you know what, I don't want to go before the judge, I want to hide, or I want to go back to my country. Don't do that to yourself. It's very important for you to speak to a very experienced immigration lawyer, especially when you get a notice to appear before an immigration judge. The bottom line is that you're dealing with no nonsense. You're dealing with serious business out here. You need to make sure that you get qualified representation in order for you to fight your deportation before a judge. Now, we've had clients who had received their notice to appear before an immigration judge, and guess what? Some of them were even successful in getting their green cards before the immigration judge. Yes, they were successful in getting their green cards before the immigration judge. Prior results do not guarantee future outcome, but the bottom line is that even if you are before an immigration judge, there may be light at the end of the tunnel. So do not give up your rights. Fight for your rights. Now, what are your options when you're before an immigration judge? You may be eligible to apply for political asylum. You may be able to apply for withholding of removal. Or you may be eligible for cancellation of removal. Or you may be eligible for adjustment of status based upon your marriage. Or there may be other factors that you may be eligible based upon the facts and circumstances of your case. Every case is different. So, but you need to make sure that you need to fight your case. Now, take an example about people who actually applied for political asylum. They went before the immigration officer and the case has been denied. They had a different lawyer. You still have the right to change your lawyer. Doesn't matter which part of the country you are in. You change your lawyer. We'll do some more work for you. We can add supplemental memorandums of law. Make sure that exactly whether issues such as past persecution were properly addressed in your case, or the likelihood of future persecution has been properly addressed based upon your race, your membership in a social group, because of your religion, or because of your political opinion. So you need to make sure that you fire. You need to make sure that you fire with all your guns before the immigration court. And if you do that, God willing, you'll succeed in your case. So we spoke about a situation wherein you are before an immigration judge. That's number one. Number two, you have been ordered deported. You're done. You think that there's no light at the end of the tunnel. You may be wrong. We're getting the call. I'm going to turn it off right here. So you may be wrong because you may still have light at the end of the tunnel. You got married to an American citizen. Your case may be reopened by a judge and you may be eligible for a green card. That's rule number 2. Rule number 3 is that you've been in a situation wherein you're anticipating that you'll be in removal proceedings because you went for an interview, your case has been denied, and immigration told you that we're going to send you a notice to appear. Now, in these instances, you need to immediately retain an immigration attorney and go for a lawyer who's highly experienced in handling deportation cases. Now, you're scared, there's nothing for you to be scared. Immediately retain a lawyer because sometimes if you're out of status, you're going to have ICE agents come to your house and pick you up. Now, situation number 3 is meant for people who are currently in detention, which means your friend or your relative has been detained by ICE. He has been detained. What is the first thing you need to do? Think about the word bond. Make sure that, if there's a way you can get him out on bond first. Now, after he's out on bond, then after that, there may be ways for you to basically qualify depending upon the facts and circumstances of your case. So if you are in deportation, or if you have been ordered deported, or if you have a friend or relative who is currently in detention, fight for your rights. The bottom line is do not give up. There's a very good saying in English, when the great get going, the going gets great. So if you have a situation where you are in removal proceedings, call Gehi and Associates at 718-764-6911, or you can email us by going to info@gehilaw.com. You can personally meet us. We are open from Mondays through Saturdays, and we handle immigration cases from all over the United States and the world. The Instant program is an attorney advertisement under the laws of the state of New York. Next week, we'll be back again with our viewers with some more information about complicated cases in all immigration matters. And next week, we're going to talk about the H-1B visa, which you all want to hear. So we're going to talk about the new system as to how the lottery is going to be selected. So make sure to circulate this video, share this video, and as all, since I love you all very much, do like my video.